Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. I've got Jay in the workshop. Say hello, Jay.
Hello!
And he's been helping all day basically. He's been a little star and we've tidied up and moved things around. I don't know if you've noticed. He's going to finish a hammer that he started about 3, 4, 5 weeks ago. Maybe 5 weeks ago. He started about 5 weeks ago and he hasn't been back to have a go at finishing up since. And I'm going to see if I can get a bit of video of me making a bit of a rounding hammer, something similar to this one but a bit different. So I hope you enjoy the video. It's just going to be a couple of clips of us messing about basically. So see you on the other side. we've had a great afternoon today. We've got everything nice and tidy. Workshop's looking absolutely amazing. And Jay managed to produce this cracking little hammer, this little crosspeen today. He's done a lovely job. He's done it all himself pretty much. And I've got me my first rounding hammer. I've been desperate for a rounding hammer. I keep nicking people's. So Jay's back on Friday. So on Friday we're going to hopefully get these ground up and hardened. Get that video done for you guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Comments all the time. Love the comments. And I will chuck a hammer making video up here. And I've got a dog face hammer video. And I'll chuck that one there. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye bye.